Motorola RIZR Z3 Motherboard Replacement Guide to replacing your phone's motherboard. Press the panel release button on the top of the phone and simultaneously pull the rear panel away from the phone. Tilt the battery by lifting at the exposed notch. Slide the battery out of its casing. Use a T4 screwdriver to unscrew all 6 of the .216-inch screws that attach the housing to the case. Use a plastic opening tool to lift the plastic casing. Pull the plastic casing directly away from the phone. Lift the black rubber loudspeaker housing up and out of the plastic casing. Use a plastic opening tool to gently lift up the SIM card reader, located above the rubber antenna casing. You should hear it click as it releases. Caution: remove carefully. If broken, the phone will not be able to make calls. Use a plastic opening tool to pry the 2 ribbon cable connectors, unclipping them from their sockets on the motherboard. Caution: remove carefully. If broken, the phone will not function properly. Use a plastic opening tool to gently pry the motherboard up until you can tilt it with your fingers. Unhook it from the casing and slowly pull it out. Caution: do this gently. Unclipping too fast may cause damage to your phone.